Hey folks, Bobby Stevens, managing partner at the all-new Key Chevy in Middletown. Want to take a second today and introduce you to our award-winning, state-of-the-art General Motors Service Center. Here at Key Chevy, there's not anything that we can't handle on your vehicle. As you'll see, trucks, cars, SUVs, we have every level of certified technician you can imagine, ASC and General Motors, all the way from General Lube Techs all the way up to your master techs. As you'll see here, we have a tiled shop. We keep everything nice and clean. Emission center. We work on everything from electric bolts to plumber's vans, 2500s. And over here, you'll see we've got the Corvette here in the shop. We've got a master certified, trained by General Motors Corvette tech, one of the highest levels in the country. There's nothing we can't handle, from alignments, oil changes, engine work, engine replacement, transmission work, you name it. We've got 15 bays and 10 trained certified technicians ready to help you. Come on down to Key in Middletown. We'll be waiting on you.